How's it going, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So in this video I want to show you guys a very simple strategy using the 5-minute time frame that's going to help you become a profitable trader. So this strategy is easy. All you need to do is add an indicator called session. So this is the indicator I'm using, sessions. It's on my chart. As you can see, sessions. All you have to do is just take note of my settings. This is the settings I'm using. New York white, London kind of like blue or something. So once you've added that session to your chart, what you want to do now is wait for the highest point. Once price opens, this is when price opened at this point on the 5-minute time frame, and there's a rally to the upside. So the first retracement to the downside gives us our new highs. So this is our new highs up here. So what you want to do is wait for price to literally break out above these new highs. So guys, let me just recap. Let me just go back to the point. So this is the London session. This is our London session 9. This is London session, the starting of London session. This first rally to the upside, this first movement to the upside is our area of interest. So we want to take note of this highest point that price made here. This is the highest point price gave at this point before the retracement down back to the downside. This first two, at least I'll say a retracement, a 2 bearish candlestick to the downside movement is good to, as a retracement. So if it's just one candlestick, I wouldn't consider that to be a retracement, a strong retracement. But since it's 2 strong candlestick, this is obviously a valid strong retracement to the downside. So I marked this highs as the highest point price got before the retracement to the downside, and I waited for price to break it out to give me that continuation trending setup. So all I did was I looked for an FVG. If you don't know what an FVG is, a fair value gap, you can just come to this indicator section here and search for FVG. I like to use this FVG by Nephew Sam. So you can see my settings. Let me click on it real quick. So this is my settings. Just go through it, and you can pause the video and just take note of my settings, and that's gonna help you find FVGs in the market if you don't know how to find it. But you can see I marked this out myself, and all I did was I waited for price to break out like this. Price broke out and ultimately came back, retested it, and my stop loss, if you notice, my stop loss was slightly, I just used this bearish candlestick, the last bearish candlestick there, as my stop loss. I just gave it a little bit of breathing room, just a little bit, and you can see price went for a 3.7271 on just this one trade. So it's just pretty simple, very straight to the point. There's no technological advancement, AI stuff going on here. This is just simple raw strategy I just give you guys. This is insane. I'm giving this out. This strategy works really well. So all I want you guys to do is go back test it and be sure it works. And please always use proper risk management. I always show you guys my stop loss because I do not want any of my audience watching me to take trades without having a stop loss. I teach my students to always have a stop loss. I go a little bit in depth in this strategy with my VIP students. So if you want to be a part of the VIP students and learn my strategies, exactly how I trade, then DM me on Instagram. If you want to join the signals group, the VIP signals group, I send out signals every single day. And if you want to be a part of that, also DM me on Instagram and I'll set you up. Guys, this is very simple. I want you guys to take the strategy very seriously. Go back test it, and be sure you like this strategy and you enjoy it. This strategy is insane, guys. So I want to show you guys that. So guys, that's pretty much all for this video. If you found value, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.